Over 18 million people are living in a factory-built home in America. And while mobile homes are remarkably similar to site-built homes, there are still differences. There's a lot to learn about mobile homes if you've never been around one or lived in one. Stay tuned, we're sharing our best tips about living and owning a mobile home in this video. Installation and setup. Let's start with some basic tips. First, it's been said that improper or incorrect installation of manufactured homes accounts for 80% of all warranty complaints. So make sure your manufactured home is installed properly. Second, HUD recommends the grade under a manufactured home have a 5 to 6 inch slope around the first 10 feet around the home. That equals out to a mere half an inch for every foot for the best setup and drainage and to ensure water doesn't pool under a mobile home. Underbelly and skirting. The underbelly of a mobile home is way more important than you realize. There should be no rips or tears in the black material covering the bottom of your home. You can repair mobile home belly boards with special patches and tape. You should also always make sure plumbers and HVAC or any contractor repairs any tears or holes created in the belly wrap after they've finished repairs or installs. What else? Well, vents in your mobile home skirting should be within 3 to 5 feet of every corner to reduce dead air pockets under your home. These dead air pockets are a perfect environment for mold and mildew. And an extra tip for the underbelly and skirting is this. Skirting vents should be open during the summer and closed during the winter. Doors, windows, siding. Mobile home doors are usually smaller than doors in site-built homes. Upgrading doors is the #1 home improvement based on return on investment figures. Likewise, you can replace windows in a mobile home with site-built home windows, but you'll need to retrofit in most cases. Here's something extra worth knowing too. You can paint the metal siding on older mobile homes with brush, roller, or sprayer. Roofing. Flat metal roofs should be recoated with an aluminum-based roof coating every other year. So take the opportunity to check sealants, caulks, and patches. Replace if brittle or cracked. Tip 2 is that mobile homes with no eaves need a healthy J channel above doors and windows to act as a gutter and keep water from hitting them. The third tip is opt for 8 to 12 inch eaves if you're roofing, since these help keep the rain off those elements. Walls, floors, and ceilings. Most walls in a mobile home are covered with VOG, vinyl on gypsum, or POG, paper on gypsum. You can paint VOG and POG. You can remove the strips or battens that cover the seams of the VOG wallboards. You can remove walls in a mobile home, but you must ensure that they aren't load-bearing. Marriage lines, where the two sides meet to form a double wide, and perimeter walls are always load-bearing. MDF subfloors soak up water like a sponge. If you're buying a new manufactured home, you should have the subflooring upgraded to OSB or plywood. 3% hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, may whiten your ceilings. Shoe polish and chalk are also options that may work. Replacing subfloors in a mobile or manufactured home is a pain, but a homeowner with moderate construction experience can probably handle it. If you can afford it, use marine-grade plywood in the bathroom. It holds up against water a lot better than anything else. For tons more tips on mobile home living, be sure to check out our site where we share insights about mobile home living and ownership. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.